Alright guys, we're back with another video. This is for Freedom. There's all the new items for this year. I forgot to include the Spinions for TNT, but we'll be lighting that one. But we got the Fly High Fountain. This one has it looks like the Cars movie by Big Thunder. Got the Jumpin' Jackalope. Am I saying that right? I think so. And then Blazing Sunset. Then we got the Puppy Party. It's a cool little design. And then we got the Dragon Dreamscape. So stay tuned. We're going to be lighting these up as well for you guys. All right.